Santa Cruz County Animal Shelter has recovered an adult male raccoon with its head stuck in a metal drain cover. Unable to free the animal, they call Wildlife Emergency Services to collect it.
Yeah, he's not coming out on its own accord.
Understandably, the raccoon is not going to come quietly. And after a brief struggle, they manage to sedate him. The animal's head is so firmly stuck that it needs cutting out. A process which takes almost 30 minutes. Vet Dr. Chad Alvis examines the freed raccoon. Thankfully his injuries are superficial, but the sedative is wearing off.
Starting to come around a little bit.
The sore area on the animal's neck is treated with a topical healing antibiotic spray, and as it starts to wake up, it's placed in a pet carrier. After recuperating with some fruit and water, the lucky raccoon was released later that evening.